Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Keyword Surfer for browser-based keyword research. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Keyword Surfer for browser-based keyword research, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google Web Store. In the search bar, type Keyword Surfer. Press Enter to see the list of extensions. Locate the Keyword Surfer extension from the search results. Click on the extension to open its details page. On the details page, you will find a blue Add to Chrome button. Click on Add to Chrome to initiate the installation. A pop-up window will appear asking for confirmation. Click on the Add Extension button to proceed. Once the installation is complete, a notification will confirm that Keyword Surfer has been added. You will now see the Keyword Surfer icon in the upper right corner of your browser. Click on the Keyword Surfer icon to open the extension. A sign-up prompt will appear, inviting you to register. Fill in the required information, including your email and password. Ensure that you choose a strong password for security. After completing the registration form, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email for a verification message from Keyword Surfer. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Keyword Surfer interface. Log in using your newly created credentials. Congratulations, you are now registered and ready to use Keyword Surfer for keyword research. Explore the various features available to boost your keyword strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.